Welcome to the curious world of the paradoxical frog. Why paradoxical? Let's dive in. This frog has a surprising twist. Its tadpoles are gigantic, reaching up to 27 centimeters. Despite their massive size as babies, paradoxical frogs shrink to 7.5 centimeters as adults. Found in South America's tropical rainforests, these frogs thrive in wet, humid conditions. Their diet? Mainly insects. Their large mouths help them snap up various bugs efficiently. Scientists study these frogs to understand growth and developmental patterns, which might help in medical research. That's the paradoxical frog, a creature full of surprises, from giant baby to tiny adult.